What's up, everybody? It's Anthony from Gaming Age, coming at you with something a little different this week. We're going to do a quick unboxing video that the fine folks over at Hasbro sent us. The Transformers Kingdom series from their War for Cybertron trilogy, which has been airing on Netflix. Once again, like I said, this was provided to us by Hasbro, so we want to thank them for that. And yeah, let's take a look and see what's in this thing, shall we? So first off, as you can see, the box is pretty cool. Has the Kingdom artwork on it. Pretty much the same thing on the sides. This side you got the Decepticon logo. Back you got another Kingdom War for Cybertron logo. And then of course on the other side we got the Autobot symbol. So yeah, pretty simple. Some nice artwork. I'm a fan of G1 stuff, and so to see Optimus and Bumblebee and RC on here is nice. And then they mix them in with some of the Kingdom characters, some of the Beast War characters, which, full disclosure, I never really got into. By the time Beast Wars came out, I kind of fell out of the Transformer fandom. I wasn't really a fan of the CG at the time, I guess, but that's another story for another time. Let's get back to this unboxing. So let's see, we're gonna pop this open. We got, let's see what we got in here. So, and right on the top, looks like we have some we got a Beast Wars comic book, issue number 1 from IDW, which is pretty cool. 25th anniversary Beast Wars. Yep, 25 years. Some decent artwork in here. I'm sure this will make for a pretty good read. We have some really cool lithographs. We have this one here. The downed Decepticon ship in the jungle. Definitely Earth in the prehistoric times. Here's that. There's nothing really on the back of these, so here is the Autobot Arc. This was crash landed on Earth. We have an animal here, I'm assuming is Cheetor. Not 100% sure. But this is another pretty cool lithograph. Right there. We have this one here. This one looks to be of the Arc and the Decepticon ship chasing after each other through what looks to be a volcano. Some kind of eruptions going on. So that's pretty cool too. And then lastly, we have this nice portrait style lithograph with, I believe that's Optimus. And I want to say, yep, and Megatron. I guess this is on Cybertron before they leave Cybertron to look for the Allspark. Excuse me. In the box after that, it looks like we have some figures. So we'll go through each of these. And also looks like we have a DVD of Beast Wars over here. So let's take a look at that. So we have Beast Wars, 25th anniversary. This looks to be let's see, Season 1, Disc 1, Season 1, Disc 2, Season 1, Disc 3, and Season 1, Disc 4, which is popping out of its thing. You know, these things, they don't make them like they used to. All right, we'll get back to that. But I guess this is the first season of Beast Wars, which I think we might do a giveaway for and give it to a lucky fan who grew up on Beast Wars. So now, as you can see in the box, there are 4 figures. We have deep cover, a Sparkless Bot, Air Razor, and Ractonite. So let's start with the Netflix branded guys. So this is deep cover. It looks to be a reskin of a G1 Sideswipe. I'm sure people who are fans of G1 characters will know who Sideswipe is. And this looks like, just like I said, a reskin, repaint of Sideswipe. Usually they give you some history on these guys and who they are, but I don't see that on this box, but pretty cool. Same sculpt, little battle damage in the legs, and face is somewhat similar to Sideswipe, a little bit different. And again, he's blue, some dirt and battle damage on the front of the hood as well. Some pretty cool artwork on the side. Autobot logo. Some artwork for the Netflix show on this side. And then on the back, just some information. You know, how many steps and whatnot. So that's deep cover. Then we have a Sparkless Bot, which, if you watch the show, this is what these what these characters look like when the spark is taken from them. This is a Decepticon Sparkless Bot. He's not really anybody important. Just, you know, some random grunt Decepticon who met his untimely end at the hands of the Autobots. On the back, they show you what he looks like in robot mode and alt mode. He's just a random looking Cybertronian car. No real distinguishable features aside from the hood mounted guns and some decent artwork on the side of the box, Decepticon logo and whatnot. So yeah, this is the Sparkless Bot, and again, you know, pretty cool, nice paint job, decent face sculpt, if I had to say. I like the rust style on here. And yeah, this is the Sparkless Bot. So that was the last of the Netflix branded figures. So now we're moving into the Kingdom line of figures. This is the newest line out in stores right now. Some of these characters will most likely show up in the next season of the Netflix show. And so who we have here is Air Razor. Try to get the glare off of here. It looks like a bird. I mean, I know he's a bird. Pretty cool artwork on the side here. And here we have on the back. We have so like I said, he's a bird. It looks like an eagle. Transform into a bird warrior. Not sure what faction he's with. I'm gonna say it's a Maximal, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, so that's Air Razor. Try to get a good shot of him in here. The glare is a little. So there we go on him. And then lastly, we have this Ractinite, which looks to be just a fossil of a Stegosaurus that is an actual Transformer. I mean, the face is okay. Not really much detail to it. Decent sculpt on the body with the rib cage. And then it looks like he can combine some parts for one of the Autobots here. It looks like he'll make some guns and a shield of some kind. Yeah, and then that's pretty much it. 4 pretty cool figures that Hasbro was nice enough to send us. Like I said, we got Ractinite, Air Razor, Sparkless Bot. We got the Deep Cover, who I said was a reskin of Sideswipe. G1. We got the Season 1 of Beast Wars. And then a bunch of cool lithographs, as well as the issue 1 of the IDW Beast Wars Transformers series. So we're gonna most likely do a giveaway on these, so stay tuned to our Twitter feed. We'll be posting what you need to do to win one of these. We're gonna probably be giving away each figure individually, along with one of the lithographs that came with it. So if you do win, we will most likely just, whichever figure you win, we will randomly give you one of these lithographs as well. And that's it for this quick unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't do this often, so hopefully I did a good job. And with that, I'll say my goodbyes. And I just, once again, thanks to Hasbro for sending us over these figures to review and give away in a contest. Have a great day, guys. Bye.